Hello everyone, I am going to present NMMS 2021 Biology Practice Bits. It's useful to all competitive exams. First question, the substance that carries oxygen in body parts. Option A, blood. Option B, hemoglobin. Option C, plasma. Option D, serum. So correct answer is B is the correct answer, hemoglobin. Second one, which disease eradicated globally? Option A, AIDS. Option B, polio. Option C, smallpox. Option D, malaria. So correct answer is smallpox. Third one, who discovered that female Anopheles mosquitoes are carriers of the causative microorganism Plasmodium for malaria? Option A, Dr. Edward Jenner. Option B, Ronald Ross. Option C, Dr. Louis Pasteur. Option D, Dr. Alexander Fleming. So correct answer here, Ronald Ross. Fourth one, microorganism that causes hepatitis. Option A, HIV. Option B, HAV. Option C, mosaic. Option D, rabies. So microorganism that causes hepatitis is correct answer. So B is the correct answer, HAV. Fifth one, which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Here option A, typhoid. Option B, cholera. Option C, AIDS. Option D, tuberculosis. So which is not a bacterial disease? So C is correct answer. So remaining A and B and C are bacterial diseases. C is virus disease. Sixth one, viral disease among the below. Option A, common cold. Option B, dengue. Option C, influenza. Option D, malaria. So here is the correct answer, common cold. Seventh one, the company that is responsible for Bhopal tragedy. So Bhopal incident. So which company is responsible? Option A, Hindustan Lever. Option B, Union Carbide. Option C, Parle-G. Option D, Godavari Chemicals. So which is the correct answer? You choose. So here is the correct answer here. B is the correct answer, Union Carbide Company. Eighth one, in 1986, the place in Russia had affected the radioactive waste pollution. So here is option A, Moscow. Option B, Chernobyl. Option D, Leningrad. Option D, Saint Petersburg. So which is the correct answer? So here is the correct answer here, Chernobyl is the correct answer. Next one, the gas released in Bhopal gas tragedy. So these are very important questions. So Bhopal gas tragedy, which gas released? Option A, carbon dioxide CO2. Option B, sulfur dioxide SO2. Option C, methyl isocyanide MIC. Option D, carbon monoxide. So which is the correct answer? So correct answer here, C is the correct answer, methyl isocyanide MIC. Very important question. The father of green revolution in India. So option A, H.G. Corona. Option B, M.S. Swaminathan. Option C, J.C. Bosu. Option D, Verghese Kurian. So which is the correct answer? Father of green revolution in India. Correct answer here, M.S. Swaminathan. 11th one, Sundarbans forests are located in option A West Bengal, option B Uttarakhand, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Karnataka. Sundarban forests are located in, correct answer here, A West Bengal. The part in leaves that helps in exchange of gases. So here is the option A stomata, option B cell, option C nucleus, option D force. So which is the correct answer here? Stomata is the correct answer. 13th one, penicillin was discovered by option A Alexander Fleming, option B Edward Jenner, option C penicillin, option D Robert Hooke. So correct answer here, A is the correct answer, Alexander Fleming. 14th one, microorganisms discovered by option A Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, option B Robert Hooke, option C Jadarius Johnson, option D Louis Pasteur. So answer is A is the correct answer, Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. The organism which act as living organisms in host cells only. Option A viruses, option B bacteria, option C fungus, option D protozoans. So which is the correct answer? So here is the correct answer here, A viruses. The 16th, the enzyme that controls emotion is, which enzyme controls of women? So option A pituitary, option B testosterone, option C adrenaline, option D none. So correct answer here, C is the correct answer, adrenaline. 17th one, if chlorofluorocarbons are rich in atmosphere, which will be damaged? Option A nitrogen layer, option B oxygen layer, option C CO2 layer, option D ozone layer. So correct answer here, D is the correct answer, ozone layer will be damaged. 18th one, the term vaccine is derived from a Latin word vaca, means. So vaccine vaccine vaca means option A cow, option B horse, option C hen, option D rat. So here is the correct answer, vaca means cow. Elephantiasis disease is caused by option A protozoan, option B bacterium, option C colantrate, option D helminthus. So elephantiasis disease is caused by option A protozoan. 20th question, vaccine for smallpox discovered by, vaccine for smallpox discovered by option A Edward Jenner, option B Louis Pasteur, option C Yellapagada Subbarao, option D Alexander Fleming. Correct answer here, Edward Jenner. So good luck, all the best. All of you like video, watch again and again, share to your friends. Thank you very much.